Okay, folks, this is your explanation for this discussion, which is going to be about dating. Please don't feel compelled to reveal any personal information about yourself and your practices for dating. That's not what this is about. Meeting people is typically the first step towards family formation in our culture, and largely that takes the form of dating. Now, dating may have changed greatly over the last 100 years or so, but it's still kind of referred to as dating, and it's largely governed by social norms. Okay, typically we date people that society thinks is appropriate for us, whether that's because of age, because of race, because of education levels or income levels, or many other things like that. We hear occasionally stories about so-and-so married up, and they married someone way out of their social class. That usually doesn't happen. Okay, it's much more common for wealthy people to meet and marry wealthy people, and poor people to meet and marry poor people, and middle class to meet and marry middle class. Mostly because that's who we're around. But spatial nearness plays a large role in that. Okay, but what I want you to think about is dating practices and how they change and our expectations change as we age. How someone's life situation may impact that. Do we expect different things dating at 20 than we would 40? At 40 versus 60 or 70, okay? Is dating just for fun okay when you're 20? Is it still okay at 40 and 60 and 70? Is dating seeking marriage one thing? If you've been divorced and don't have kids, does that change dating versus being widowed and having children, or different life circumstances that people can find themselves in? Okay. For the most part, I think this is a really interesting topic to think about, because we're all hopefully going to long enough to age and kind of look at our own lives and our own culture. Is this limiting to us or not? If you do have questions, please feel free to contact me. Be sure to watch the calendar for the deadlines about getting your initial post online, which you should always title with your name, and make sure you don't forget to respond to at least 2 other people. You can incorporate the textbook to help you flesh out some of these things. If you have any questions, please get in touch with me, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you, and you have a nice day.